Hey y'all, welcome to the tea about HIV. So listen, I've been minding my own business. I was not gonna say nothing about what the baby had to say about HIV and gay people and all that. I actually wasn't gonna say nothing. I was just minding my own business about it. Um, of course, I had my own thoughts about it. The kids, they was listening to it in the car. I just was listening to their take on it. We watched a few videos a couple of days ago about it. And I really didn't care to say nothing about it, right? But I've been getting all these inbox and these text messages like, Shatrivia, how you feel about what the baby said? 'Cause everybody know I like him, right? You know I love trap music. I like the young folks music. It ain't even about the young folks music. I just like the music. You know what I mean? I really do listen to him when I drive. Sometimes his music helps me get to work faster. So everybody kept asking me, a few people asked me to do a video and share my thoughts on what he said, right? A lot of people may not like what I say. A lot of people didn't like what he had to say. A lot of people defended him. But this is what I think about what he said. This has been going on since forever, y'all. This is not the first time it happened at all. It happens all the time. It happened in Tyler Perry movies all the time. The movie that he did about the lady, was it Fighting Temptations? It's just a lot. This stuff been going on for the longest. You know what I'm saying? But this is how I feel about it, right? I just feel that the baby is just not educated when it comes to HIV and AIDS. Simple. I'm not going to go deep into it. That's just what it is. So many of us is just not educated when it comes to HIV and AIDS. I honestly don't even think that he meant any harm in what he said. I think he actually was doing what he do. He was performing. That's what he do. He wasn't trying to come for people with HIV. He wasn't coming for people that's gay. He wasn't. He was just performing. And being a regular man, being a regular person. What he said, everybody is human. I honestly believe that he had a human moment. And a lot of us humans is not educated when it comes to HIV and AIDS. So I watched it, right? So he said something. Don't quote me word for word, because I'm really not interested, right? So he said something along the line of, no, not the concert thing. I really didn't too much see that. I saw a little bit of it. But he went live on Instagram, and this is what he said. This is the part that the reason why I'm saying something about it, right? He said something about you motherfuckers, y'all niggas or something. He said something funny like that. And he was like, my gay fans don't got no motherfucking HIV. They ain't no nasty gay people. Something like that, right? Basically, he said his fans that's gay don't have HIV. Dumbass nigga. They ain't gay. What? I mean, they not nasty. What do HIV and nasty have to do with each other? Nothing. See, that's why I say he's just not educated in that area. That's all. He could have, if he would have said anything else, maybe somebody wouldn't even took it that way, right? But listen, this is what I want to tell y'all on this Friday. Freaky Friday. Listen, I'm finna give y'all, I'm gonna break this down the simplest way that I can break it down for anybody that watched this video that probably just don't understand about HIV and AIDS and all of that, right? Bottom line, HIV has everything, in some cases, to do with somebody having sex without a condom. Simple. We don't have to think nasty. We don't have to think gay. We don't have to think homophobic. All this crazy stuff. We don't have to think that at all. It makes no difference. If you are having unprotected sex, we can have an HIV conversation. That's all it means. It ain't got nothing to do with being nasty. Nothing at all. I'm finna give you an example. The baby said that, right? He said that at the concert, and when he come back to try to defend himself, he said what he said again, right? A lot of us is having unprotected sex. I'm sorry. I never heard of the baby being married. I don't think so, right? He's not married. I'm sure he got a chick he probably been smashing on a regular without a condom. Everybody do it. I'm just hypothetically speaking, y'all, right? So if you having unprotected sex with somebody today, and today is Friday, You don't know who they slept with yesterday. You don't know who they slept with last week, last month. You don't know. I don't care if y'all in a committed relationship. I don't care if y'all married. I honestly don't give two shits, period. If you have unprotected sex, you can go to the, yeah, we need to have HIV conversation. That's all it means. It has nothing to do with nasty. Nasty means nothing at all. I got HIV, and when I got it, I was not being nasty. I was not a nasty ass chick. I really wasn't. I was having sex with the person that I had been having sex with for years. Simple. It's not big. This is not really that hard as people make it. So for me, I just feel that the baby is not educated. That's all. And since everybody is talking about it, we got the famous people, the stars, the rappers, everybody coming, giving their input on it and defending him, going against him, saying he should be counseled. No, he should not be counseled. No. Why? This is a teaching moment for him. This is a lesson. He can learn a lesson here. Somebody can teach him and educate him about HIV and AIDS, and that man with that much power can change a whole lot of stuff. Why take it? Why counsel him? No. Educate that man. Educate him and let him know what HIV and AIDS really mean. It has nothing to do with my laptop. It has nothing to do with being nasty, baby, at all. And HIV and AIDS are two different things. See, there's a lot of things that people don't know when it comes to HIV. We really have to get educated, y'all. Listen, it is so important. I know y'all watch my videos and y'all hear me saying this so much. And that's why I'm a firm believer in what I say. Let's get educated, y'all. We have to become educated about HIV and AIDS. To me, I feel embarrassed for him. For those of us that know about HIV and is aware and know what HIV means, how you get it and all of that, he should be embarrassed. I'm embarrassed for him to say that. Honestly, I am. Like, my fans ain't nasty. They ain't got no HIV. I feel bad for him that he really don't even know. He has no clue at all what HIV means at all. I feel bad for him. No, don't cancel him. No. His music is amazing. Amazing. But the platform that he has, with him learning and becoming educated about HIV and AIDS, it can change the direction of the hood. It can change the direction of a lot of these hoods. Because a lot of people is having unprotected sex, period. And a lot of people is having it with multiple people. And a lot of people is having it with multiple people. Do you understand? A lot of people is not educated when it comes to HIV and AIDS, y'all. And I want to say it again. A lot of people is having unprotected sex. A lot of people is having unprotected sex, baby. Married, not married, single. It's happening. And until we become educated, this thing is going to continue. So since the baby is a hot commodity right now, everybody's talking about it, let's get him educated so that he can start going around to these schools. He could come to the hood. He could start talking to these people in the hood. See, I'm a hood advocate. I'm a hood advocate. You know what I mean? So I think this is an amazing thing. This is an amazing thing. This is an amazing thing, y'all. He can get educated and he can come to the hood and he can teach. He can teach and help other people become aware. Because I'm sure he having unprotected sex. I ain't gonna put him on blast like that, but he might. He might be having unprotected sex, and if he is going to get tested. It's just that simple, y'all. It is just that simple. So for you guys that wanted me to bring my input on the baby situation, that is how I feel about it. I feel embarrassed for him that he's not educated when it comes to HIV. I feel like this is a teaching moment for him. Somebody can, the door is open for him to be taught right now. That's how I feel. The doors of the church are open. The doors of the church are open for him to become educated about this. But who is going to reach out to him? Who not scared to go and have a educated conversation with the baby about HIV and school him, help him become aware. Change is hard. Do you know to be aware is to stay alive, right? So when you get that type of awareness, it does something to your soul. It does something to your spirit. Just imagine how life-changing that can be for him. Change his entire life to where he become an advocate for people living with HIV. You see what I'm saying? Let's think about this in a positive way. Let's get the baby educated about HIV and AIDS so that he can use his platform to stop some of this. Yeah, that's what I think about this, you guys. That's how my daughter be talking. You guys, I think we should use this moment to reach out to as many people as we can so that we can find out who has that much power and who is willing to go and educate the baby so that can change the direction of his life, so that he could become an advocate and stand with us to bring awareness to this silent killer, because this is silent. This is a silent thing going on in the hood. Everybody smashing everybody. Ain't nobody using condoms. Some people may be, but I'm talking about those that's not. A lot of people is not using condoms. A lot of people sleeping with other people, men and women and wives and husbands. Everybody doing it. Many people are doing it. Not everybody. Many people are doing this. So this thing is continuously spreading. But now we have a rapper. It's been talked about like this all week. Let's get this baby educated, baby, so he can change the world. That's what I'm with. I'm about to inbox him right now on Instagram. And if y'all really my followers and y'all really stand with me with this thing, y'all inbox him too and tell him to get at me. I'll do it. Because I ain't scared. I ain't no person in power or none of that. But I bet you I'll inbox him. He was up on live talking. So I'm going to inbox him. I'm going to direct message him on Instagram and see if he'll have a conversation with me. I know that will never happen. But I'm still going to do it just in case. You just never know. Never know. We're going to get that man educated, and he is about to become an advocate, and he is going to change the direction of his life and everybody's life around him. Imagine that. Imagine a young man with that much power, with that type of platform. See, that's the type of stuff God do. You see what I'm saying? That's the type of stuff that God is into, if y'all want to know. That man can change a lot of our lives just by who he is. And the blessing, that's a blessing to be in that position alone. So let's pray, y'all. Let's pray that he become educated. Y'all, listen, y'all enjoy y'all Friday. And listen, go to the nearest gas station and buy you 3 boxes of condoms, baby. 3 boxes of condoms. Put one in your car. Put one in your purse. And put some condoms in your pocket. Because it's Friday. It's Freaky Friday. Everybody trying to get lit. I'm just saying. Y'all get y'all some condoms, y'all. It is so important to use condoms, y'all. Not just for baby's sake. For y'all won't get babies. HIV is real, y'all. And it is not happening in the way y'all think it's happening. It is happening through the people that we are the closest to, y'all. The people that we are the closest to and the most friendly with. Yeah, it's really happening. But I'm going to get into another video about that. Friendly sex. I'm going to get into that, y'all. Y'all enjoy y'all Friday.